And over in Willowdene, St. Catherine, residents also want help to fix roads in the community. They started the work on Labor Day after collecting money from neighbors. But now they're unable to complete it because they have no money to retain heavy-duty equipment.
The money what we are throwing towards, we are trying to reach 475,000 to get at least one truck load of asphalt, which is 25 tons, to fix these three main entrances properly so we can act. Just in case of an emergency, we can get out of the scheme as quick as possible. Then we have to have people been getting robbed inside here, taxi man being robbed inside here because of the roads.
The residents say Willowdene Drive, Kingsway and Trueway are among the worst affected roads in the community.
Me I beg you, come out, come help. We need the help. We are beg, we are beg, we are beg. We are pay with tax. We are pay with tax in the scheme. We are pay light, we are pay water. We no capture the land inside here. We are beg you, come out and help us to do this thing. We are asking you, we are imploring you. Right? We have to big up the councillor because he has been on board with us.